Hey guys, this is Seismic Sales. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to open up an eBay live package from RJBullion. Hello, sisters and brothers of the coin. Thanks for watching. This is Seismic Sales. We're going to open up this package I got from RJBullion on eBay Live. But first, let me go over a brief review what happened. I ordered about 9 coins and a tube of Silver Eagles. In this order, I had 3 gold quarter-ounce American Gold Eagles. 2 of those Eagles would not load into my cart. I emailed RJBullion. That guy called me the next day, yo, and we spoke for a bit. He said, I'll take care of it. Basically, he said eBay authorized me to pay him for the 2 quarter-ounce Eagles on the side via Zelly. He would include those 2 Eagles into this package. However, but it looks like this is kind of light. It does not feel like there's a tube of Eagles. So I'm hoping that he sent them in another box, all right? So let's see what's in these guys. You like my knife skills? Okay, here's a quick update. During the making of this video, Farhan from RJBullion called me a second time. He confirmed, yes, he is sending them in a separate package. Those guys' customer service is out of this world. I'm just saying. Because of eBay Live's bugs and glitches, sellers have to keep up with every email, every correspondence, and be true to their word. So far, they've been good to me. On with the unboxing. I'm expecting 9 coins and a tube of Eagles. Okay, that one's clear. Oh, maybe they're all 9 coins in here. Hold on. Oh, because they're 110 ounces, right? Well, hopefully, but my tube of American Silver Eagles aren't there. Anywho, let's count it up. Okay, here you go. RJBullion. They're all in here. They were neatly packed. Okay, let's count them up, you guys. Oh, okay, I'm thinking they're heavy. Okay, so I had 4 rounds. There's a Coca-Cola, 2, 3, and 1 bar. I really like Coca-Cola. It's very addicting. And I got 5 110-ounce rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and 1/4 round. Let's take a look at these 1/10 rounds. And they're in capsules. Well, some of them are in capsules and some of them aren't. Very clean. Okay, I should have 2 of these. And there's a second one, 110-ounce. These are our American Eagles. Zoom in. Very small. These are my first 110-ouncers. I'm trying to build maybe a stack of 10. Then I'll go back to ounces. What do you guys think? I gotta buy capsules for these guys. And a 1/4 ounce Gold Eagle. My first 1/4 ounce Gold Eagle. So the other 2 1/4 ounce Eagles that are missing will be shipped with the 20-ounce round of Silver Gold Eagles. Make sure to like if you like this video. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see the unboxing of that second package or the other half of this package. I just wanted these just to have. Oh, wait a minute. Yo, RJ, you guys need to put an invoice. Why do bullion exchanges don't put invoices? Yeah, I don't have an invoice. That would have been cool though, but I can always print it out from eBay. So I did leave him a message that, hey, I just picked them up from the post office and they're feeling kind of light. I don't think the Eagles are in here. He usually responds within a day or 2. I trust the guy. He has a business. He called me. I was like excited. It's the guy from the eBay store or the eBay Live. This is a nice one. Maybe I should get more of these bars. I'm going to end the video here for a part 2. And we'll let you guys know what happens. I'll give him a day before I email him back. But I'll let him know that I'm missing the tube of American Silver Eagles and the 2 boo-boo rounds. All right, you guys. This is Seismic Sales. And this was my review of RJBullion. Even though there's a mistake, he called me and he told me he'd fix it. And I'm going to wait until I talk to him to see what happened with those tubes. I'm pretty sure he put the 2 1/4 ounces with the tube because it would probably be more cheaper that way, shipping for them. So I'm just going to have to wait for that shipping number or tracking number. Grogu says, thanks. Please subscribe. We lost a subscriber the other month. We could really use more. Thanks a lot, you guys. This is Seismic Sales. Peace.